This is my sunflower patch, and actually the wind's picking up right when I start to film this. The birds plant this for me every year right underneath their bird feeders. And this year I've got a pretty good patch of them. And I've got them in all stages of bloom. This one is in full bloom. And here's one that's just getting ready to come out. And there's a little one down here. They're all different sizes. They're in all different stages. This is another big one that's in full bloom. Let's see what else we've got over here. There's one that's just getting started. So I don't have to plant sunflowers because the birds do it for me.